So here is how to transfer money from Binance Wallet to Exchange. So after you open up the Binance app like this now, all you have to do now, make sure you are in the wallet section. So after you come to the wallet section, now go to assets at the bottom right side. After you come to the assets, now all you have to do now, scroll to down and find USDT. So let's say I want to transfer my USDT into my Binance Exchanger from the wallet. So after you select the USDT like this, so here now tap on this send button. So from this option now, it will ask you to type in the address of the USDT that you want to send. So it will be USDT or any coin that you want to send. Just tap on this option now. Before you come to this option now, make sure you go to the Binance Exchanger and copy the address from the Binance Exchanger. So after you come to this option, just tap on this option and then tap on this paste button. So after you tap on this paste button, now you paste in the address and then tap on this done button. So now tap on this continue button. This option, now you can tap on this max button to send all the token or all the USDT that you have, or you can tap on these numbers to specify the amount. After you tap in the amount you want to send, just tap on this continue button. From now, the USDT or the money will be transferred into your Binance Exchanger. And that's it, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.